In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue if Instagram is not linking on your TikTok profile. First, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search TikTok. If you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. Updating TikTok can fix bugs and gives you access to latest feature. If the issue continues, you can uninstall TikTok and reinstall it. This can resolve problems caused by corrupted app files. Next, long press on the TikTok app, then tap on the app info. This will take you to app settings. Here, find the option of storage and tap on it. Then tap on clear cache. Now head back. Here tap on force stop. Here tap on OK. Once that is done, the temporary files that may be causing the problem will be removed. Now open TikTok and try to link your Instagram account again. If you're unable to, keep in mind that Instagram linking feature is not available in every region for every account. Availability may also depend on your app version or whether TikTok has rolled out the feature to your account. If the direct Instagram linking option isn't available, you can still add your Instagram profile manually. Open TikTok. Tap on the profile icon. Now tap on edit. Here tap on bio. Now paste your Instagram profile link into your bio and tap save. This allows visitors to access your Instagram even without the dedicated Instagram button. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.